In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to watch BBC iPlayer from anywhere in the world, even if you're outside the UK. If you've ever tried visiting the site while abroad, you've probably seen a message saying BBC iPlayer only works in the UK, and that's because it's strictly geo-restricted. BBC iPlayer is one of the best free streaming platforms out there, packed with high-quality British shows, movies, documentaries, news, and even live sports. But unfortunately, it's only officially available to viewers located in the United Kingdom. So if you're currently outside the UK and want to access BBC iPlayer, there's a simple and effective solution. Just use a VPN. A VPN lets you change your virtual location by routing your connection through a server in the UK. So when I'm connected to a UK server, BBC iPlayer thinks I'm actually in the UK. And just like that, the entire platform becomes accessible. No blocks, no errors, just smooth streaming. It's fast, it works, and it's super easy to set up. Now, you might be thinking, can't I just use a free VPN to do that? And honestly, I wouldn't recommend it. Free VPNs often don't work with BBC iPlayer because the platform actively blocks most of them. Plus, they're usually slow, unstable, and risky. They can leak your real IP address, lack proper encryption, and in some cases even sell your browsing data. That's why I recommend heading over to vpnsaver.com. It's a site that compares the best VPNs for streaming in 2025. The VPNs listed there are tested and verified to work with BBC iPlayer, and they also perform great with other services like Netflix, Hulu, and more. Whether you're after top speeds, reliable UK servers, or strong privacy features, vpnsaver.com helps you pick the right VPN for your needs. Each VPN on the list includes military-grade encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and full protection against leaks, so your connection stays secure and private the whole time. Once you've chosen your VPN, just download the app, launch it, and connect to a UK server. Then go to BBC, refresh the page, and boom, full access to BBC iPlayer no matter where you are. And that's all there is to it. If you want to watch BBC iPlayer while traveling outside the UK, visit vpnsaver.com. The link's in the description below. Enjoy your shows, stay safe online, and if this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more streaming tips. See you in the next one.